Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Trust you are the less stress-filled beautiful today. My name is Osak Delete X, and if you're new to this channel, kindly like, subscribe, comment below, and also turn on the notification bell to receive more crypto airdrops and more legitimate ways to how to make money online. Quickly, in this tutorial, I will be talking about how to import a cPen contract address and impute it on the Trust Wallet app, which is also under the DEX. All right, but I know many people who have already connected their cPen token. If you have connected yours to the Trust Wallet, that is nice and that is good. But for the purpose of some people who have yet to connect their, who are yet to import their cPen contract address to the Trust Wallet, this video is for you. All right, now I'm in my Trust Wallet app, but if I scroll down, we are going to see the cPen. Previously, I transferred the funds from my cPen to my BitMart exchange. All right, and what we're going to do first is head on to our cPen app. You're going to click on the message which you're seeing below here. When you click on the message, cPen message box, you're going to toggle below and you're going to look at where it says the contact address. Yeah, this is it. Hey cPen community. You're going to select it. You're going to hold delay here. You're going to click on the OKX, and this is the cPen wallet address. I want to make this video very fast. Then you're going to copy it. And to copy it, you're going to head back to the Trust Wallet. You're going to click on the top right corner here where you're seeing two circles and a plus in the middle of the two circles here. You're going to click on it, and when you click on it, you're going to click on the plus sign. And when you click on the plus sign, what you're going to do is select the Ethereum. When you select the Ethereum, you're going to change the Ethereum to the BNB Smart Chain contract. All right, because initially the Trust Wallet is on the Ethereum base as by default, and yours might be on Bitcoin, but on my own case was on Ethereum as a default, so I had to click the Ethereum selected, but in the end switch it to BNB Smart Chain. So what you're going to do is paste the cPen contract address you copied from the cPen network mining app. I'm going to paste on it, and when you paste on it, it's going to display the cPen. Ensure that the cPen, which is the native token, is here, and the symbol, which is the cPen network, all right, is showing, and the ASIN is showing here. All you're going to do is click on import, and when you click on import, it's going to show the cPen logos app, the cPen native token, all right, which is under the BNB blockchain, which is BEP20. All right, so that is how to connect your BNB, that is how to connect your cPen contact address to the Trust Wallet app. All right, so cPen network has been defined, so you have to head back. When you go back, again, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the cPen you're going to see the cPen token, but in my own case we are seeing 0 because I've already transferred or sent my token from the cPen tokens to my BitMart exchange. You can see it on the previous video, or you see it on the screen right here. All right, if you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, share, and also share to people. Let people out there to see and to also know how to connect the cPen contract address to the Trust Wallet. And as we all know, that mining section for the cPen has already ended, and we are now in the duration of mining the ink. All right, which is going to last for a period of maybe in within a year. We should be done with the mining of ink for the mainnet, which is yet to open on 24 which is first quarter 2026. All right, yeah, and good one for BitMart exchange, which they sent the message on their Twitter handle that they're going to be listing on the 10th of April, which is on 4 p.m. in Nigerian time. All right, position yourself, and in my next video I'm going to be showing you a video on how to withdraw your we are going to withdraw, that means we are going to how to sell your cPen tokens from the BitMart exchange, and also how to withdraw to other exchanges like the Bybit, for those who are having the level 1 verification, and for those who are also have a complete verified account for level 1 and level 2, and can also sell on the P2P market. All right, and remember, don't be too quick to sell your cPen token, But if you wish to sell your cPen token, I would advise not to be in a haste. Like I said, no risk, no reward. And we're hoping that the cPen network should give us a good listing price. All right, so the prices you are seeing now on the registration phase is not the official price, and don't be fooled by anyone. And cPen might end up cooking well in the listing day. All right, so let's all position ourselves for this amazing project. All right, peace out.